Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best IASO Detox is probably one of the most talked about detox products in the market, and for good reason. Its blend of natural herbs promises a gentle cleanse, supporting your body's natural detoxification processes, and potentially aiding in weight management. But before you add it to your cart, let's dive into a comprehensive review exploring its benefits, drawbacks, and everything you need to know to make an informed decision. Number 5. TLC Iaso Instant Tea. It boasts a fruity and enjoyable taste, making your cleansing routine a pleasure. This refreshing blend is a delicious way to support your wellness goals. It's incredibly convenient. Simply mix one sachet with water, hot or cold, for a quick and hassle-free drink, perfect for your busy lifestyle. It's formulated with ingredients like senna leaf, papaya fruit, and chamomile to gently support your body's natural cleansing process. It's a great way to help you feel your best. It's packed with wholesome ingredients such as maize dextrin, cherry, beetroot extract, and stevia leaf extract, contributing to a nutritious and delicious drink. Always follow the usage guidelines. Store it properly to maintain its quality and effectiveness. Consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. What we like? It boasts a delicious fruity flavor that makes your cleansing journey enjoyable. Its on-the-go sachets are perfect for busy lifestyles. If you're looking for a tasty and easy way to support your body's natural cleansing process, this is the one for you. What people say. I like how the senna, Cassia augustifolia, in this product makes you go but doesn't give you the side effects of China slimming tea such as cramps and discomfort. I've noticed my stomach is less distended throughout the day and I am losing weight easier. Definitely helped with cleansing the colon. I took mushroom coffee first then drink this tea immediately after. Using 2 packets either one in the day and one at night. For better results use 2 packets in 1 bottle of water. It does work to lose weight. Obviously it won't work if you don't put effort. If you have still eat bad foods and don't even work out or even walk off course it won't work. You can lose a little more weight than without it. The taste is okay, you have to drink as instructed or it won't do anything. And have to continue drinking every day to see results. Number 4. TLC Iaso Instant Tea. It boasts a fruity and enjoyable taste, making your cleansing routine a treat. This delightful flavor makes it easy to incorporate into your daily life. It's incredibly convenient. Simply mix 1 sachet with water, hot or cold, for a refreshing drink, anytime, anywhere. It's formulated with ingredients like senna leaf, papaya, and chamomile to support your wellness journey gently. It's a natural way to support your body's cleansing process. It's packed with wholesome ingredients such as maize dextrin, cherry, beetroot extract, and stevia. It's a nutritious and delicious way to support your health. Always follow the usage guidelines. Remember to store it properly to maintain its quality and effectiveness. What we like? Get twice the cleansing power with this convenient double pack. Enjoy the same great taste and ease of use, but with even more servings. If you need a longer-lasting supply of this refreshing and effective cleanse, this is your best bet. What people say. Whenever I have an event coming up I always buy this tea. It makes me lose weight fast. It's mostly my bloating but hey I get skinnier. Perfecto to start with healthy. Number 3. Iaso Instant Tea. This is Iaso Instant Herbal Tea, your perfect companion for a healthy and refreshing experience. It's convenient and easy to use, anytime, anywhere. Let it soothe your senses and help you relax. Enjoy the delicious taste and feel the benefits. This box contains 7 individually portioned sachets for your convenience. It's perfect for travel or on-the-go refreshment. It's made with a unique blend of natural herbs, creating a delightful and invigorating taste. You'll love the smooth, satisfying flavor. Make it a part of your daily routine for a healthy boost. It's a simple way to incorporate wellness into your day. Discover the unique blend of herbs and the refreshing taste that sets it apart. It's more than just a tea, it's an experience. What we like? This smaller pack is ideal for trying it out or for a short-term cleanse. It's a quick and easy way to experience the benefits of this herbal tea. If you want to sample the product before committing to a larger purchase, this is the perfect option. What people say. Excellent product delivery. AMP product. It does work. Number 2. IASO Tea Detox. Start your weight loss journey with IASO Tea Detox. It helps to detoxify your body and burn unwanted fat, supporting your weight loss goals. It's formulated to gently cleanse your system, helping you feel lighter and healthier. See the difference it can make. It helps your body burn fat, contributing to weight loss. You may even see results from the very first day. Many users report weight loss from their first day. It's a convenient and effective way to support your weight loss journey. Each package provides a 5-day supply. Follow the included dietary guide for best results. We've included a helpful dietary guide to complement your detox and help you maximize your results. It's designed to support your overall wellness. What we like. This option promises noticeable weight loss in just 1 week. It's a concentrated formula designed for quick results. If you need a fast and effective way to jumpstart your weight loss journey, this is the one for you. What people say. It has you going to the bathroom without having to eat anything first. It really works well with 3 caps of apple cider vinegar too. It makes me really thirsty and crave water, which is a major plus for me. IASO cleansed my system and the 5-pound weight loss was an added bonus. This tea is great, it really cleans you out. Taste-wise, it's not that bad to me just because I drink green tea and a lot of other teas no sugar, so it doesn't really bother me taste-wise. Number 1. TLC Synergy Kit. This kit combines IASO Instant Tea and NutriBurst to support your daily wellness journey. It's designed for a gentle and effective approach to your health goals. Start by enjoying the IASO Instant Tea. It provides a gentle cleanse, promoting healthy gut function and overall well-being. Next, take NutriBurst, our liquid multivitamin. It replenishes essential nutrients and vitamins your body needs to thrive. The tea helps prepare your body to better absorb the vital nutrients from the multivitamin, maximizing the benefits of both. This kit offers a full month's supply of both the tea and the multivitamin, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Together, the tea and multivitamin work synergistically to support your body's natural cleansing and replenishing processes for optimal health. What we like. This kit combines cleansing tea with a multivitamin for a holistic approach to wellness. It gently cleanses while replenishing essential nutrients. If you're looking for a comprehensive approach to cleansing and replenishing your body, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The directions are very clear. Package came nicely presented, and on top you get more for your money: a full bottle of NutriBurst, 2-pack of Iaso tea of 25 tea each bag, meaning you get 50 bags of tea, and an extra pack of Energy Boost of 30 capsules. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.